Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I'm a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding sample paper for the preparation of entrance exam for Master of Public Health MPH and Master of Hospital Administration MHA and other competitive exams for various university and institutes like AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Jodhpur, Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR Bhubaneswar, Common University Entrance Test, CUT PG, जिपमेर पुडुचेरी, निमहांस बैंगलोर, सावित्रीबाई फुले पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी, गुरु गोविंद सिंह इंद्रप्रस्थ यूनिवर्सिटी, किंग जॉर्ज मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी KGMU, क्रिश्चियन मेडिकल कॉलेज CMC वेल्लूर, लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी, पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी, SGPGI लखनऊ, and for all other university and institutes which conducts public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So here first question is burden of disease is measured by options are A disability adjusted life years DLY, option B physical quality of life years PQLY, option C health adjusted life years HALE, option D all of the above. Correct answer is option A disability adjusted life years DALY. So burden of disease is measured by disability adjusted life year DALY. Burden of a disease is measured by disability adjusted life years DALY. Its explanation is the sum of mortality and morbidity is referred to as the burden of disease and can be measured by a metric called disability adjusted life year DLYs. DLYs are measuring lost health and are a standardized metric that allow for direct comparisons of disease burdens of different diseases across countries between different populations and over time. So burden of disease is measured by disability adjusted life years DLY. Question number second is a baby is called low birth weight if he measures less than A baby is called low birth weight if he measures less than. Options are A 2.2 kg, B 1.5 kg, C 3.5 kg, D 2.5 kg. Correct answer is option D 2.5 kg. So a baby is called low birth weight if he or she measures less than 2.5 kg. A baby is called low birth weight if he or she measures less than 2.5 kg. So if a baby is measured less than 2.5 kg, then that baby is called low birth weight baby. Its explanation is low birth weight is a term used to describe babies who are born weighing less than 5 pounds 8 ounces 2500 grams. An average newborn usually weighs around 8 pounds. A low birth weight baby may be healthy even though he or she is small, but a low birth weight baby can also have many serious health problems. So if a baby is called low birth weight if he or she measures less than 2.5 kg. Next question is question third. Most common diarrheal agent for infant is options are A rhinovirus, B rotavirus, C enterovirus, D E. coli. Correct answer is option B rotavirus. Most common diarrheal agent for infant is correct answer is rotavirus. Rotavirus is most common diarrheal agent for infant. So most common diarrheal agent for infant is rotavirus. Its explanation is rotavirus and Escherichia coli are the two most common etiological agents of moderate to severe diarrhea in low-income countries. Other pathogens such as Cryptosporidium and Shigella species may also be important. Location specific etiologic pattern also need to be considered. So most common diarrheal agent for infant is, correct answer is rotavirus. Rotavirus is most common diarrheal agent for infant. Question number 4 is denominator of annual parasite index API is, denominator of annual parasite index, that is API is, options are A total slides examined, option B total confirmed cases, option C total parasite load, option D population at risk of malaria. Correct answer is option D, population at risk of malaria. Denominator of annual parasite index API is, correct answer is population at risk of malaria. Its explanation is API, that is annual parasite index, API equal to confirmed cases during 1 year upon population under surveillance into 1000. So formula for API, that is annual parasite incidence, is confirmed cases during 1 year upon population under surveillance into 1000. Next question is question 5, date of establishment of EPI, that is expand program immunization is, date of establishment of EPI, that is expand program immunization is, date of establishment of EPI expand program immunization is, options are A 1974, B 1978, D 1980, D 1988. Correct answer is option A 1974. Date of establishment of EPI, that is expand program immunization, is 1974. Its explanation is that the year 2014 makes an important public health anniversary. It is exactly 40 years ago that the World Health Organization WHO established the expand program immunization EPI. Since its launch, countries in the region of sub-Saharan Africa SSA have been found to be behind regarding new vaccine introduction HIV such as HEP B, hepatitis B, HIBCV, that is Haemophilus influenza type B, PCV, that is pneumococcal conjugate vaccine, Rota, and HPV, that is human papilloma virus vaccine. These vaccines have been developed in the era post EPI establishment and are currently recommended by WHO, World Health Organization, for routinely immunization for all. Question 6 is date of establishment of IMCI, Integrated Management of Childhood Illness, is the date of establishment of IMCI, that is Integrated Management of Childhood Illness, is date of establishment of IMCI, that is Integrated Management of Childhood Illness, is, options are A 1990, B 1995, C 1997, D 1996. Correct answer is option B 1995. Date of establishment of IMCI, that is Integrated Management of Childhood Illness, is 1995. Its explanation is Integrated Management of Childhood Illness IMCI is a systematic approach to children health which focuses on the whole child. This means focusing not only on curative care but also on prevention of disease. The approach was developed by United Nations Children Fund and the World Health Organization in 1995. It includes both preventive components on the part of families and communities as well as curative action to be taken by health workers. It also has an objective to help improve health systems. Question number 7 is date of establishment of DOTS is, date of establishment of DOTS, that is directly observed treatment short course. Date of establishment of DOTS, that is directly observed treatment short course, is, options are A 1995, B 1994, C 1998, D 1991. Correct answer is option A 1995. So date of establishment of DOTS, that is directly observed treatment short course, is 1995. The DOTS, that is directly observed treatment short course report was released to the public on March 20, 1995 at New York City Health Department. At the news conference, Tom Frieden, head of the city's Bureau of Tuberculosis Control (TB), captured the essence of DOTS, that is directly observed treatment short course. The TB control is basically a management problem. Frieden had been credited for using the strategy to turn around New York City tuberculosis outbreak a few years earlier. Next question is, according to Alma Ata, elements of PHC, that is primary health care, are, so according to Alma Ata, elements of PHC, that is primary health care, are options are A8, B3, C6, D5. Correct answer is option A8. So according to Alma Ata, elements of primary health care, that is PHC, are 8. Its explanation is the Alma Ata Declaration on PHC, that is primary health care, envisaged a minimum package of 8 elements: education concerning prevailing health problem and the methods of preventing and controlling them, promotion of food supply and proper nutrition, and adequate supply of safe water and basic sanitation. So according to Alma Ata, elements of primary health care, PHC, are 8. Next question is measure of water vapor per cubic centimeter is. Measure of water vapor per cubic centimeter is. Options are A, absolute humidity, B, relative humidity, C, both, D, none. Correct answer is option A, absolute humidity. Measure of water vapor per cubic centimeter is. Correct answer is absolute humidity. So measure of water vapor per cubic centimeter is absolute humidity. Its explanation is absolute humidity units are grams of water vapor per cubic meter volume of air is a measure of the actual amount of water vapor in the air regardless of the air's temperature. Question number 10 is daily dose of thiamine for adults is. Daily dose of thiamine for adults is. Options are A, 1 milligram, B, 2 milligram, C, 3 milligram, D, none. Correct answer is option A, 1 milligram. Daily use of thiamine for adults is. Correct answer is 1 milligram. So daily dose of thiamine for adults is 1 milligram. Its explanation is recommended dietary allowances RDI in adults, males 1.2 milligram daily, female 1.1 milligram daily. Recommended daily allowance RDA in pediatrics 1 to 3 years 0.5 milligram per day, 4 to 8 years 0.6 milligram per day, 9 to 13 years 0.9 milligram per day, males 14 to 18 years 1.2 milligram per day, females 14 to 18 years 1.0 milligram per day. Average adequate intake AI for healthy breastfed infants. So in this video, information regarding sample paper for the preparation of entrance exam for Master of Public Health MPH and Master of Hospital Administration for various university and institutes like AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Jodhpur, ICMR Bhubaneswar, Common University Entrance Test, UTPG, JIPMER, NIMHANS, HPPU, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA and other competitive exams has been given. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams, and for this if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.